Daniel, keep it up! 15 seconds!
Oh, that's a foul.
Big Ben, baby!
Get back, Bryce. Get back.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go.
To be seen. Come on, man.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay. That's These guys supposed to be in like comp food classes. Oh, just called wait. No foul. That was over-exaggerated a lot. Chill out, dude. Oh, get him. He literally jumped.
Why'd you do him like that over there? Fucking, because if I saw him, it might have been a foul.
That's eight.
Is it 8 on it also? No, there is 6. You guys started out like they had one.
3 out of 4 power play last week. Not the first week.
Hey, CRISPR passes. You gotta be CRISPR. A little more zip on him. CRISPR.
Good work, guys. Keep it up.
Minute 20, Mason.
Come on, get a goal.
Nice save.
Total toe bomb. Yeah. He toe bombed it.
1 minute, Beast. 1 minute. Go in, Marcus.
That's 8. Nice. Thank you, sir.
So it's not that close.
No, that counts as 8. He's out for 5 minutes.
14 whites.
Yeah, you got a
Yellow card.
The blues. You got the blues to 8 foul.
Blue for the 8 foul. No,
He got a yellow.
it's a yellow 3 to 4.
5.
No.
You know the difference between a fucking dive and a foul? No. I was only a second. Yeah.
Who's serving the time?
14.
I know, but who's serving to the yellow card?
I told him we should know the difference between a dive and a foul.
Yeah.
I guess you can't have open conversation.
3 blues or
I thought he was on the 8
combination.
right? Jesse,
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was for 8 fouls. It was for 8 fouls, not for blue. It was for 8 fouls. That was for 8 fouls, not for a blue card.
Because he pumped 1.
Get the blue card. Blue card. You got the one right?
Rick, where are you watching
First
this?
half, yeah. This blue card was for 8 foul. It wasn't for blue card. It wasn't a
Hey, we need a new scorekeeper. You can't, we'll just tell him. All I said was, you gotta know the institute of diving. He threw himself to the ground. Just like right here, yeah? That's all I'm saying is...
We've got a blue and a yellow.
Oh, I still got this rolling.
You're good for now.
Good.
we're all out here just trying to make it roll, bro.
It doesn't count as a man down. It does not. We're all built. We're only going to be 1 man down. We're going to be 1 man down on the blue. Alright, we got it.
We're good. Let's do this. I'm getting cold out here.
Yeah, what happened? So we said something that, that one don't count as a blue.
Hey, let's go, boys!
Yeah, we were on. Got one back.
Come on, Alex!
Yeah, he
Hit it, Ben!
because he said that was the second quarter.
Time.
Hey, shit, let him know they're on a box. Oh, it's four.
But if he gets another 8 seconds,
Hey, Rob.
hey, go long! There you go, that's the ball. Good job, Jimmy. Good job, Jimmy.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
30 seconds.
40 gig. Damn, this sucks.
That guy thinks he can do that. These guys, yeah, my ball, dark off.
This is getting nasty. Yeah, but we kind of need our players.
Look at Boyle!
That was good.
Better ball, guys.
He bounces away.
Get to the back door!
Frankie, let Jimmy help you. Quicker.
You guys are talking about soft passing.
Right now.
Call him.
Yeah.
30 seconds hard, guys. 30 seconds hard. Man on.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Man on. Turn.
Behind you!
Good ball, Bryce. Good now, Frankie. You're good, Frankie.
That's a Tristan.
Fucking find the subs now. Stay fresh.
Tristan just wants to say.
Go, Tristan. Sub.
3-on-2!
Tristan, come. Tristan, go.
Tristan! Come on, Jesse.
Oh, get a wall.
Frankie, Deb, when we can. When we can.
Remember, set up! Set out on the post! On the post! Very decent chase.
Hey, Frank, Devin, Devin. Grab subs. There you go. Let's go. Good job, Deb.
Got one behind you, Aaron!
Oh, magic.
DC.
Great ball, Eves. Oh, God.
DC's not foul now. Get in there, get in there.
Again, Bryce, again, Bryce, again, Bryce. Again, Bryce.
Good, keeper.
Jesse. Because they want us to social.
Benji, come on!
Hey, Marcus, be careful, man. You're on
Somebody shot it. Shot it.